Windows Defender not working. How to fix this? This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the profile option or the startup menu on your PC. Then you are going to go on the settings option, tap it over here. Then after going to the settings option, then you have to go down on the settings option and go to update and security option. As you go into the update and security option, let me get it a little bit bigger. Now you have to go on Windows security option. Now over here you will be able to see that my Windows Defender is not protecting me against viruses, account protection or device performance or health. This is not what they are telling me. So there is an option of turn on Windows Defender or Microsoft Defender firewall. You have to click on it. As you click on it, it will take you to this menu that will show you how to change your system, or if there is any problem with your system, this will also lead you to there. So how to go to the open security or whatever I want to do over here. So for this I have to go on Windows Update. As I click on Windows Update, now I have paused this update for 7 days, or I can change it, or I can download or install a new update. So I have to download and install a new Defender on my Microsoft, and it will automatically make me secure by working the Windows Defender on. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.